Very nice original leather Rollei hard case back, and inside we have something super simple, ideal for beginners. And this is the Universa Junior Super simple camera, clean lens. Here you control the exposure, you can see them on the side, so there are different holes with different sizes for more or less light, a little bit like pinhole camera. Very simple, folding trigger, the handle comes off from here. Very simple camera, but in very good working condition. And this camera is probably 6 years old. So you need to take off the battery holder, and there are some signs that you would need to follow. As you can see, battery holder is clean. Position all 4 batteries in for AA batteries, and once that's done, this one goes here. It's a little bit of play to get it in, but once it's in position, perfectly working. So there isn't much to show on the camera. So we'll go to the X-Spark cartridge test. As you can see, we mark the cartridge. This is an X-Spark cartridge. It's much harder to spin than regular new ones. So if the motor manages to spin this X-Spark cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. So once the cartridge is marked, insert it in, close the lid, all clicks, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very well working. And let's see what the result is. No mark there anymore, and straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this X-Spark cartridge. It's very important to put the lid on so it presses the battery holder down. And the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for the footage. As said, extremely simple camera, perfect for beginner. No, not a lot of features, but that's it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.